ơi miền Pành Hà tôi được có ắt càng lơ được ắt được chuyện ắt được miếng khảo màu sang sayแต่fan về ắtนี่càng lơ được ắt được chuyện càng cám được chuyệnแต่ freezer is okay
freezer อันนี้ได้จองก่อน
แต่nàyเคยเกาะcàng trào nó bẹp sang xe fan nữa anh fan nó tạm mở ắt đa để càng còi đó now unplug it then you vacuum this brush remove this and vacuum all the dirt out there อันนี้ดอกเจงให้บ่มอยู่หน้ากระติกอ่ะเวียนดอกกรอมนึงเองเวียนไอเธอคอมเพรสเซอร์อัดดาวกับบ้านเป็นตามมือเมนอันนี้ที่ตามมือแฟนเวียนนอกข้างนองthis one of the blow it's not that bad not dusty
thì em chụp độc
relay for the pressure switch right here. I don't think this something wrong with this. I think it's a blow. I mean the fan. To remove all this out and clean it. I think they're frozen. Yeah, and here, timer. Removeนี่remove the take this thing out. Okay. Remove this led. One here and another one here. Pull this out. Remove this cover. Careful. Oh, you got that. There's one wire here, one connector here, just disconnect it. And then remove this part. See, that indication that this thing is frozen. That evaporator is not working. Maybe the fan got cold block. So you got to remove this out, and clean all this. And remove the screw here, and the same thing on the other side. Careful, remove this evaporator cover, pull it up and then pull this way. It's not frozen, so must be the fan that not working. Okay. Normally this should be turning easy. This one look, it's so tight. That point now is gotta find another one. Gotta find replacement. Nè mày cho anh nè lông bạc cây cho anh nè nè cái hầm trăng tàu phẳng so this slot, see this slot here, you want a wire. Insert the way you pull it out. See the tape ball on this side, the tape ball on top. Okay, just slide it in. Ooh. Yep, just slide it in. And there is slot here to put the cable, but I'm not going to do it yet. Done that there. That plug in tape immersion. This go only one way. Not can go wrong with it. Make sure it click. And you must test that way, but send you down on. Yep. Alright, press this. And press the other one.
See, they make jol more này.
Okay, put your hand there, man.
See, look.
Yeah, see, is that the air, the cold air coming out?
The air cold coming out and too cold.
I know, we got cold air, I mean the air blow coming out here and here. Now gotta put this, set this the way it should be, click that thing back in. Okay, there, that little slot there, okay. and another one here. See, just slide it in. Put that wire back in one at a time, so it should look like that. And then need to put cover back up there. Okay, put this back. Screw it in. Okay, yeah. Tight all the screw, the 5 screw. Okay, that tight. Do the same on the side. Okay, tight. Now put this back the way it was. Put 2 screws there. Okay, tie it. Don't over tie it. Hey, បងប្អូនរួចរាល់ហើយថ្មីប៉ុន្តែថ្មីចាស់មិនថ្មីចេះទេនេះអូអត់តាន់បិទអានេះ
ចូលបិទវាសិនបានកើត
អានេះឃ្លីនហើយដាក់ទៅវិញហើយរុញទៅក្រោមសិនរុញទៅក្នុងវិញ